Alright, for this eating with someone by my side, I've chosen Italian physicist Giorgio Parisi. And the screen grab is of a YouTube video of the Nobel lecture for Giorgio Parisi back when he won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2021. And I am Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, she, her, hers of Seattle. This is my YouTube channel, Tanis Leonhardi, and today is Friday, 16 May 2025, and I've got a bowl of cereal, rice checks with 2% milk, and some sweetener, and I'm stirred up, and so I'm eating with Parisi by my side, and it's a different format lecture than it was this year, so it's kind of, at least this clip of it, it's very zoomed in on him, and then he has this device. I don't know if that's partially because of the state of the world back in 2021 in terms of social interactions and social distancing and stuff like that. I don't actually know. But I was thinking, okay, what's my reaction to this? So he clicks it and the screens show up on the video here on YouTube. It's on the Nobel Prize YouTube channel. And I was like, a question and answer format would, from my perspective, now that I've, published peer-reviewed journal articles and stepped out after, I'd say a question and answer format might be more useful for, like, my following and my audience, like in a non-science or in the science community. I don't have that standard pipeline of college degrees and then like a postdoc or professorship or something, or research lab like without a break. No, I have a over 5-year hiatus. So I like it. It doesn't bother me. I think I was like a question and answer format I would like, and I think would showcase both me and the Nobel Committee. Kind of like this one does, where he doesn't need some grand stage to kind of display his fitness, so to speak, of being able to share his research. It's like, maybe for me, I could be very angry as a child, and I've spent the last 19 years really honing and my self-regulation of anger. And I was like, if there's one emotion that I might guess or anticipate would come with me winning a Nobel Prize in physics, or in general, but a physics specifically relevant for this video, I was like, a question and answer format would be like the pinnacle of kind of that fitness display of self-regulating anger in a interaction setting. A question and answer format as the Nobel lecture. Plus, it allows for a fitness display or a fitness test of me by the Nobel Committee, because like, we're giving you this award, we want to, it's a quality check, but it's also a quality check for them who's interviewing me. It allows me to adapt and continue to finesse as needed, as needed, my self-regulation of anger. But it also allows the Nobel Committee and the persons doing the interviewing to adapt as well. So individually and collective evolution and adaptation. So I don't know. I'm watching this. I came to mind I thought this was a good fitness display of his ability to convey his research and bring in the eye candy of, like, spin metallic glasses. If you know what that is. Condensed matter state. Condensed matter physics. This is the guy I've been like, the La Sapienza guy in Rome, Italy, that I've talked about being my model advisor for a PhD in physics in Italy. He's a young'un. I'm going on my cereal. Rice Chex has a lot of iron in it. And there's some calcium. And the milk has calcium. And a little bit of protein. I was like blessing this video and him and the Nobel Committee and myself. And the squirrels and the critters in the backyard. Yeah, like my parents, where I live. Got my dog, my soulmates, with a little bit of iron and calcium protection. That's what Magneto Me says. A tiny bit of protein, but the emphasis there. Iron and calcium. And that was a 60 out of 10 today. And thank you for joining Parisi and Tanis. Tanis and Parisi.